Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between Thinkorswim on the left or MooMoo on the right. And before starting this comparison video, I want to make one thing clear, and that is I won't tell you which platform is better. I will tell you which platform fits you the best. So I wrote down 5 different topics and I will tell you the differences on all the topics in today's video. And hopefully after this video, you know exactly which one will fit you the best. So let's start right here with the main focus on Thinkorswim. And the main focus on Thinkorswim is that Thinkorswim is an advanced trading and technical analysis platform. MooMoo is an active trading and market analysis platform. If we look to Thinkorswim, Thinkorswim is the best for active traders and options traders. And MooMoo is the best for active stock traders and market data enthusiasts. If we go to trading tools, Thinkorswim is the best in class charting, options analysis, scanners and paper trading. And MooMoo is advanced charting, level 2 data, screeners and options trading tools. If you look to the interface on Thinkorswim is very powerful. It's a powerful desktop platform with deep analytics. And MooMoo is modern and future rich and, in my opinion, beginner friendly. If we look to the fees and trading costs, Thinkorswim has options contract fees and margin interest for leverage trading, and MooMoo on the right has options fees, margin interest and premium market data cost. So if you ask me, choose Thinkorswim if you want a professional grade charting, advanced options analysis and powerful tools for active trading, and choose MooMoo if you want to have a modern trading platform with rich market data, strong stock analysis, and an easier learning curve. So you can decide right now for yourself which one will fit you the best. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.